Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore one of its main features, one of the main personalization feature, then that is the watch face section or the dial. So we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces, and at the same time we are going to have a demo of downloading of watch face from the support app as well as custom watch face. So if you are interested to see the available watch face for the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So this smartwatch is already preloaded with several watch faces. You cannot use the crown button to change the watch face. Instead, just long press on the screen and we have here different preloaded watch face. We have 1, 2, 3. So this is a custom watch face. 4, 5, we have, let's see, we have a number here, 8, and we have an AI watch face. Okay, so let's try this one. Click the button below to turn on the AI. Let's see. Okay, I guess this is in the support app. We have, when you tap on edit, okay, I guess it is available in the support app. So we'll explore this, okay, on the support app. We have also a custom watch face here. So we have at least 8 preloaded watch face, plus we have a custom watch face here and an AI album watch face. Okay, so beautiful looking watch face here for our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So let's pick this one. Okay. To download additional watch faces, we have here the Wear Fit Pro. So powered by Wear Fit. Okay, so it is an ad. As you can see here on the device, we have a theme market. So tap on it and we have here several watch faces. Some are for sale, some are free. So this is me, watch face purchase and watch face downloaded. We have wallpaper here and we have the dial. So let's look for the free watch faces. So we have a ranking, okay, so around $2 here. Most of the watch face here is around $2. We have new, then we have the space theme watch face. We also have a welfare dial. I guess this is for the earn gold beans. And we have ultra hot IP. It's also for sale. We have the art dial. And this is what we want, the free dial. So these are the available watch faces that is free for your HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So it is limited, as you can see here, only few. There are a lot of watch faces here, but it's for sale. Wow, this one is nice. Okay, somewhat a 3D with a cat. For the free section, we only have few available watch faces. So I'm looking here for the custom. So we have here a custom watch face, album dial. I'm also looking for the AI watch face. So we have here an AI album. So please go to AI premium dial generation. So I guess you have to pay for the AI album or AI dial. Okay. So Steam Market again. So let's just download a sample from a free section. So we have welfare dial, art, business, simplicity, art dial. So let's go to the free dial. Let's pick one. So let's get this one, the sports data. Tap on it and tap on installation. So it's asking to access photos and media on your device. We'll allow it. And it's now downloading. So let's wait for it. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. 40%, so it is fast. It's very good so far. 82%, 84, 89, and we have here the new watch face for our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. Okay, so far no issues at all, except that most of the watch face here is for sale, although there's a lot of options. Okay, a lot of quality watch faces so far. Then we have here the Me for the downloaded watch faces. It will be stored here. We also have a section for the purchase. For the custom watch face, tap on album dial, select the design here for the time. Okay, then tap on the image. Just allow the permission here while using the app. Select the desired watch face, arrange, check. So we have here the watch face, then tap on installation. Okay, and let's wait. So this is the custom watch face. And we have here our custom watch face or custom dial. Okay, so we already have the sample of the available free watch face for our smartwatch, as you can see here, and we also have our custom watch face. Going back, where's our custom watch face again? Is it available here? It's already here or not? Let's see. Okay, so beautiful watch face, custom watch face, and there's a lot of option for watch faces here, except that you have to purchase some of the watch face here, or you see gold coin, okay, to get a free watch face for your wearable. Okay, so that's it for our HK10 Ultra 3 watch faces. Downloading of watch face as well as a custom watch face. For the AI watch face or AI dial, we'll have a separate video tutorial for this. Okay, so watch out for our tutorial for the AI dial. And again, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Bye.